I'm at the Schneiders today. They're part of our parish, and I look forward to them telling you a little bit about themselves and how long they've been in the parish and seeing how they answer our pandemic questionnaire. We'll see how they do. All right, so why don't you tell us your names and how long you've been in the parish, if you don't mind.
So we are Stephen, Camber, McKinley, Sutton, Schneider. We are 66.6% of our current family. There are 2 more who are inside for nap. Kaya, who's 3, and Stanton, who's 11 months old.
Wonderful.
We've been part of Incarnate Word Parish for 5 years now.
Okay.
Ish. We usually attend 8:45 Mass on Sunday and sit in pew 1A.
And sometimes the 5:05 Mass, right?
Occasionally.
Yeah.
Well, our 8:45 is also 8:50.
Okay, yeah.
But that pew is always available.
Perfect. Yeah, that's great. All right. And McKinley, how old are you? Well, are you in school?
7 years old.
7 years old.
First grade.
First grade. Awesome. All right. And Sutton, what about you? What are you doing?
I'm in junior kindergarten 5.
All right. Wonderful. And you've been in our Catechesis of the Good Shepherd before, right? Yeah, you passed that with flying colors, I'm sure. Yeah. All right. Well, good. Well, what is the first thing you guys are going to do when quarantine's over?
What do you want to do more than anything when quarantine's over? Where do you want to go? No?
Play with my friends and go back to school.
Yeah. All right.
Maybe hit
You
up
ready
some
for that
parks.
to
I
happen?
think parks are probably going to be the biggest thing. Find something to climb on
Uh-huh.
and climb down.
Yeah, that'll be good. Now, is there anything that you, during this time that you've cooked, that's been a total disaster?
Cooked.
Or baked? Or has your food situation been pretty okay?
The food situation's been pretty okay.
All right. Very good. And you have enough toilet paper?
We do.
Oh, yes.
Okay. All
I
right.
grew up in a family that sells toilet paper.
Oh, all right.
We were well stocked.
So you're like a baron. Yeah.
We were in high demand.
All right. That's good. Well, is there anything you've improved on during this time of having more time at home and time to yourself? Or have you broken any bad habits or anything like that?
We got some projects done around the house. We organized a couple closets.
Uh-huh.
That's good stuff that
I've
we haven't
worked on
gotten to.
not to pick my nose and so I can get my fingernails painted.
That's, you know what? I didn't want to say it, but I've been working on the same thing. So you and me both.
It's been a 3-decade-long struggle for me, and I'm still losing the battle.
That's great. Yeah.
Yeah, your fingernail polish already came off. We need to paint them again, don't we?
Yeah.
Well, Sutton or McKinley, do you guys have any jokes that you want to tell the parish? Any jokes that favorites that you have that crack your family up?
What's your favorite joke?
Or a song you like to sing? I know it's asking a lot. Well, how about this? If I was going to walk into your refrigerator right now, what would be the best thing I'd find in there?
Oh, we're getting pretty low
Okay.
at the moment, so that's tricky.
So maybe some celery or something?
Nope, that's gone.
Okay.
That's gone.
All right.
We got some carrots. I think their favorite thing that they're getting right now is canned fruit.
All right.
Is that
Yeah.
your favorite thing?
Yeah, that's good. With the syrup, right?
Fruit juice, 100% fruit juice.
Okay, all right.
That's the way we roll.
All right. All right, good. Well, just to wrap it up then, if you had to pick one thing to be thankful for to God today, what would that be?
What do you think?
Beautiful sunshine.
Beautiful sunshine, that's a winner. All right, what else?
I'm thankful for all 6 of us. We have some people to play with.
Mm-hmm.
I'm thankful for the time I have with my family that I'd never otherwise have.
Sure. Yeah.
Because it's, what, 4
4:00, yeah.
And I'm at home with my family,
That's great.
which never happens.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
I'm thankful for the trees.
I thought you might say that. That's your good climbing tree behind you, right? Yeah. Well, that's great. Well, thanks for letting me stop by and ask some of these random questions. We're happy you are in our parish and happy you guys are doing well.
Well, I've had a random question that I've been wanting to pose to a member of the clergy, and I'm not sure if this is the appropriate forum, but if you were to take all of the apostles minus Judas and place them in a royal rumble, who would be the winner?
That's a really good question. I think it would come down to two finalists. I think St. Peter had what it takes to just get the job done. But then so I think it was Simon was a zealot. So, I mean, he would have been kind of like a warrior of sorts. So I put my money on those two guys. How about you?
You know, I'd really like to cheer for Thomas, but I just don't think he'd have the confidence to take it.
Yeah, I doubt he'd do it. Yeah.
You know, obviously Jesus knew what he was doing when he, chose Peter as the rock. So I guess he's kind of going to have to be the de facto favorite.
Uh-huh.
But Matthew with his history, I think could he could account for everybody and really kind of stay on the sidelines until it really counted, and then make his move late and maybe steal a victory.
Yeah.
So
What is a tree's favorite drink?
Well, I don't know.
We're coming back to the joke, I think.
Root beer. All right. Very good. Well, that seems like a great way to end our interview. So thank you so much.